All right, folks, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostic with his dash camera. Just to let you know, we're going to talk about oil analysis. For some of you out there, you're not, and yes, I'm driving, but my eyes are on the road. For some of you out there, you're buying these RVs, and you're believing what the people tell you that everything's okay. You need to do an oil analysis, whether it's a gas engine or diesel engine, and you need to do the transmission. All right. One, on a diesel engine, if you have to do a head gasket, what would the oil analysis tell you? Well, there's glycol in the oil, and I'm not talking a lot to turn it milky. I'm talking nanograms, billions of a gram. This stuff works. I use Blackstone oil analysis on mine. I do it every year. Yeah, some of you might think that's a little extreme, but got 108,000 miles on my diesel pusher, and she's in good shape. So remember, I would do it on gasser engines, and don't do it after a fresh oil change. Do it with the old oil. It really adds up. And it'll tell you all kind of stuff. There's all kind of different metals in there. All right, the gas engine, diesel engines, transmissions. You know, it's just a smart decision. One, if you're going to buy one, a used one, I would do that. You'd be amazed. I think it's like 8 to 10% of the oil analysis come back with glycol in them. Now, there's a difference in diesel engines, like they call it a dry sleeve, a wet sleeve. One of them, you pull it out, you don't have to tear the whole engine apart, you know. But one of them has coolant that goes through it, and that means the block can't. You need to pull the engine out. You have to service that. That's why they made the sleeve system. Well, hopefully this made a little bit of sense to you. So I would put that under preventive maintenance, you know, but I'm going to put it as oil analysis and how important it is. So please get your oil analysis done. I use Blackstone. I don't get no money out of it. I'll just tell you, look, you know, hey, tell them I'm a member of RV Diagnostics. You might get a discount because a lot of people are sending them oil samples. Please, engine and transmission, gas and diesels, it doesn't matter. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, there's a couple ways to get a hold of me. One, here on the YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Two, if you want to get a hold of me, I look at my emails once every other day or something like that. My vendors' emails automatically make a noise on my phone, so you know I don't have to check them all the time. So that's it. Jeff at rvdiagnostics.com. The other way is that the RV Diagnostics repair shop in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. And the other one is the one-on-one website where I do one-on-one with you, video link chat. I watch you do what you're doing step by step. We do it through all kind of video link programs. We can do it on Facebook, messenger system, use the audio and the camera system. We can do it on Zoom, all kind of, there's all kind of them out there. Just let me know which one you want to do it on. That's the website, though. That's a paid membership, one-on-one. It's $90 some dollars a year. It's like $8 a month. Come on, bucks. $8 a month. And if you want to know how it's doing and how successful it is, you go to the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, and look in the announcement section. That's on top of the page, announcement. There's a lot of people didn't even know what a multimeter was, and now they're troubleshooting their own RV. What's my motto, folks? Test, not guess. And even with that, sometimes I have to double test to make sure that what I did was right. But trust me, I've been doing this almost 50 years, and I'm very thankful. Now my body's starting to give out, but it's all right. Okay, so one was the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. Two, email me at Jeff at RV Diagnostics. Three was the RV Diagnostics repair facility in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. It's a big old pole barn, 52 foot by 39. It can fit two 45-footers in there. One I can put in there and open up 4 slides and have plenty of room to work. You can put your car in there. The other's website, YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. All right, and don't forget to look at my tool list that I made for RVs. It's continuously being updated. It's a lot of good stuff. I'd like to see you buy a Fluke multimeter, but you know what? A cheap multimeter is better than no multimeter. All right, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm signing off from here.